Who is it?
We got Robert Valentine. We got ODI long neck grips, super soft, because I'm the pussy.
Oh yeah.
Merritt top load stem. 2 Kink Viros.
Front and back?
Front and back, because I'm a G like that.
Yep.
And then we got the Cinema front wheel. Pretty sure this is like a 7.7 or 3.3. Doesn't matter, because I'm black.
Because he's black.
Then we got Fit Mac bars. I hate Fit. We got the Skavenger bridged frame. Odyssey Dirt 2 forks, pretty sure. Then for my cranks, we got Fit Indent cranks, the 24mm ones. Got the Tawny Free Coaster.
That's pretty loud.
Hella loud.
Oh yeah.
And then we also have a Mission chain and a Demolition Sprocket because Stevie Churchill.
Man, that's pretty patriotic.
And then seat.
Shadow
I
seat.
have a hole in it so I can fuck it.
That's pretty sick.
Hell sick.
Sick sticker.
That's it.